Hi, and welcome to Member Splash. Today we have a crucially important topic, member reservations and the Member Splash integrated reservation system. It was vital for our clubs in 2020 and may well be in 2021. First, let's take a moment to reflect on 2020 and look forward to 2021. Surviving in 2020 alone was a challenge for most clubs. Congratulations, you're still standing. It's also worth noting that we all learned valuable lessons and gained valuable experience as we navigated shifting rules and the virus. And many clubs reported how incredibly supportive their members were during the 2020 season. And of course, by many accounts, we are getting ever closer to a COVID-19 vaccine. Does that mean we can finally return to normal for 2021? Let's face it, 2021 is far from settled. We may well have a vaccine, but how effective will it be? 50%, 70%, more or less? Will everyone get the vaccine? What will the rules be for opening in 2021? Who's going to be making those rules? Will we have to enforce social distancing again? And the most important question, how can you best prepare for what 2021 will bring? After all, your members are counting on you. Considering the unknowns, your club can begin preparations now for 2021, and our integrated reservation system is a key part of that preparation. Let's take a look at what your club can do with this system. Most importantly, you can build custom calendars for your main pool, lap lanes, scores, and so on. You establish the frequency and duration of the reservation blocks. You decide how much time between reservation blocks for cleaning and for disinfecting. You establish booking limits for your members per day, per week, to keep things more fair for all of your members. If you need to, reservations can easily be made for your members, and of course, you can confirm that members have reservations right from the check-in screen. Let's take a look at how you can set up your calendars. You create your facility, in this case the main pool, and identify your total reservation capacity. You select the dates that you wish to begin and end offering reservations to your members. You establish how far into the future members can make reservations. In this case, members can book up to 7 days into the future. You establish reservation limits so that a small number of members can't reserve all the pool availability. In this example, we've limited our members to 4 reservations per week. So now let's touch on what your members can do. They can log into the system in order to access your complete reservation calendars. They can book any facility you have set up, such as the main pool or swim lanes. They can make reservations for individuals or for the whole family, and members can easily view, change, or cancel existing reservations. At Member Splash, we've worked really hard to make the reservation system easy for your members to use. Once logged in, club members simply select a time block with enough openings, select the family members for the reservation, and book it. Really couldn't be easier. Members can also easily manage existing reservations if there's a change of plans. For your lifeguards or others staffing the front desk, simply check in members as usual and quickly identify if your members have a reservation. There's no other system they need to check, and as you can see, we've taken the guesswork out of the system. In summary, we've all learned a lot in 2020, maybe more than we wanted to, but there have been reasons for optimism looking into 2021. Still, we know that there are many unknowns as we look forward. The best approach is really to start planning now, and of course, Member Splash is here to help. If you'd like to get a head start on 2021, please let us know. We'd love to tell you more about the integrated reservation system and all the benefits of Member Splash. Simply click on the Learn More button on our main page, and we look forward to hearing from you.